Okay, welcome back. What we want to look at today is the Chinese multiplication, but also known as the Galois method or the Lattice method, okay, of multiplication. Now, this takes practice. So practice, 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 okay? Let's look at multiplying 46 times 37. And we're going to use this method. So the first thing we need to do is to draw our grid. Okay, so we draw our grid. First thing, draw a grid. Now, you will need to do this yourselves in writing or on paper, or even if you are familiar with your computers, do it on computer. Do it however you like, but get it done. Okay? Now, next stage, we then need to put in our lattice lines. Okay, so draw the lattice. Okay, and here's our lattice lines. Okay, and they're going straight across, and straight across. Okay, we come back, make sure you can see where they end. Okay, that they don't go quite infinite. They go to a certain point and they stop. Okay, so we can get this on screen and in frame for you. Now, having done that, we need to take our numbers into account. Okay, so it's 46 times 37. Look at where we're going to put our numbers first, and it is the positioning of our numbers that makes the difference. Okay, so we put 46 at the top and we put 37 down the side. Okay, the next thing we need to do is carry out our multiplication. We multiply 3 times 6 or 6 times 3, whichever you prefer, and that gives us 18. So we know 3 6s are 18, or 6 times 3 is 18. Okay, 1 8 goes into our first lattice frame, and that again, remembering our lattice frame. Okay, that is now 18. We're then going to multiply. What do you think we're going to multiply next? You tell me. Okay, right, I'm waiting. I'm still waiting. Okay, we're going to multiply 6 times 7, because remember, the number asked us to multiply 46 times 37, so we now multiply 6. We have multiplied 6 times 3. Now going to multiply 6 times 7. And what is 6 times 7? It is equal to, tell me, I'm waiting for you. Okay, 6 times 7 equals 42. Okay, there's our 42. Now, which one are we going to do next? So come next, we're going to multiply the 4. Okay, so we're going to have 4 times 3 equals what? 4 times 3 equals, tell me, I am waiting for you. Tell me, okay. 4 times 3 equals 12. Okay, 12 goes in there. Next number we're going to multiply is 4 times 7. Okay, 4 times 7. And what's 4 times 7? 4 times 7 equals, now you should have known this from the times tables I've put onto my channel. So if you don't know your timetables by now, you need to go and learn it. Okay, it's there, use it. That's equals to 4 7s, and we just brought it down here just to show you that we're multiplying that times that to bring up to fill in our last lattice okay? And 4 sevens equals 28. Okay. Now what? Well, we need to add these up in order to give us a value. So let's have a look. Add the diagonals, okay? And let's have a look at this. Now, let me just go back a little bit, okay? Go back a little bit, and it says here clearly add diagonals. Sorry. Okay. Add diagonals. I'm going to get my tongue right in a minute. Okay. So, if we're looking, that is all diagonals. Okay. We're looking at it from that sense. So let's go with that. And we have 2, our first diagonal. What is this value here going to be? What's this value here going to be? And let's see if you're right. Maybe not quite right, okay? So, why is this a naught? Good question. So, if you take here, 8 add 8 is 16, and 4 is 20. So, what we have here is 20, and we carry in the naught, okay? So we close the naught off and we put the naught in, okay? We're left with 2. This 2 that we have here is this 2 here, okay? So we carry 2 forward. So, sorry about that, okay? Now, what's 2 add 2 add 1 add 2? So what number are we going to get here in our diagonal? Let's see if you're right. It should be 7. Now why 7? Because 2, sorry, let me just get this right. 2 add 2 is 4, add 2 is 6, and 1 is 7. That gives us our 7. And what is our last diagonal? And what's going to go in there? 1. Excuse me. Okay, 1. Now remember, this 2 has now gone, okay? It's gone out as well, because we put that 2 there, so it no longer exists, okay? And the answer equals 1702. And if you put that into your calculator, it should come out correct. So let's just check that we're happy. So you can see that 46 times 47 equals 1702. Alright, and you read off your answers correctly, and we know that is correct. Okay. Now I'd like to thank you for this, okay? And I hope you find this useful. Okay, you can do any multiplications in this way. So thank you again. Have a good day. Bye-bye.